What is the meaning of breaking the matrix? Actually, if we can understand ignorance and arrogance combined is the cause of all sufferings in the world. So it's not ignorance is the cause of suffering, obliviousness is the cause of suffering. Obliviousness is a combination of ignorance and arrogance, is the cause of all suffering in the world. Okay. So if ignorance is the cause of suffering, ignorance, arrogance is the cause of all human suffering. Every parent would like to help their children break free from arrogance and ignorance. Because if you can break free from arrogance and ignorance, you will have the right attitude to learn. If you recognize you are ignorant and that you don't know, so you will not be arrogant, then you will learn and practice and practice and practice. Break free from the lower nature. And after you break free from the lower nature, all of the things which are stopping you from becoming full human being have been removed. Because you have understood, you have learned, you have taken control of your mood, of the two brains, of your natural behavior. You have taken control. And then with that you are able to develop all of the ahha skills, 10 ahha skills. And now when you develop 10 ahha skills, you go into the world to be able to do whatever you want to do. Whether you want to teach, whether you want to serve, whether you want to start a business, whether you want to learn anything, you got the ahha skills, plus you are free. You can learn anything, whatever you want to learn very easily. You are actually a full human being. We've actually found a way to become full human beings by ourselves. Because we have broken free, we have developed the ahha skills, and after that, we are just supposed to bring it to the world and teach others. Anybody will want to come and study. If you can show them how to be confident, bold, dynamic, speak good English, why won't they come? You have got English to create the sweets and toys for people to come. And because you can help people who are shy, who are frightened, who have no belief in self, to stop all kinds of bullets, to be bold, to be dynamic, you'll be able to pay. They'll be able to pay you. You can teach the rich and the poor, and you are somebody who can motivate, can dynamic, can transform. You have got the most powerful secrets of the world. And you will be talking and sharing, and people ask you questions, and you can answer literally any question related to self. You won't need to speak about religion. You need to speak about society. Just speak about transformation. Change your life. Know about life and know about yourself. You don't need to know everything else. If you can speak about religion a little bit here and there, is good. But you have some skill to be able to transform people. In short, you are a spiritual doctor. You are a human potential doctor. You can treat, you can guide, you can explain, you can show. If you have this, then really let's sit down and think. Isn't this what Buddhism was talking all about? So that you can become this? Isn't this what Mara is all about? Isn't this what Satan is all about? Isn't this what the Matrix is all about? Isn't this what the lower nature is all about? Isn't this what religion has been trying to tell us? The whole purpose of religion was to break free from the lower nature. Isn't this the actual aim of the coming of religion? Baha'u'llah came to explain this to people. He wrote books after books. He gave quotations after quotations to help us understand our true self and to become isn't this, in short, your passport to heaven, your ability to understand life? And once you have this, All you need to do now is multiply. As you teach, create this, create that, start this, start that, develop this, develop that. Now that you have this, you have an army of people who can go into the whole world, stop poverty, solve problems, become great teachers, come up with, fairness, development, grow trees, stop environment problems. You have got your army of people who are outstanding human beings to take the world, to change whatever you want to change. You have the geniuses with the pure heart. You have got these people. This is it. So what is going to happen is the next challenge of the human being is no more about becoming pure. It's no more about breaking the matrix. It's about what you can achieve, what you can do, how you can impact. This world will become a heaven. Economies, businesses, developments, bringing down all kinds of injustices, unfairness. Now you will be involved in this kind of thing, like Gandhi. He became pure. After becoming pure, he brought revolution to the world. He changed the whole world. He freed India of colonization. He became first pure man. He broke free from the matrix. Now he was full human being. He brought down the British Empire. You become a full human being. And God works through you. You will bring development. You will be this and that. Are you really? So, becoming this is now having in your hand the power to tap phenomena and channel that phenomena in any area you wish to channel. Technology, development, education, health, fairness, social justice. Okay, this is now. But step number one, you have to break free. You have to be reborn. To be reborn, you need to break free from these 9 different animal nature, what we call 9 veils, 9 aspects, 9 components put together, which is stopping you from becoming full human being. Okay, you need to get hold of that, reprogram that self into full human being, and then take the world. So if all you did now, for the next 1 month or 2 months, is really sit down and study and analyze and dig and remove this, to me, there cannot be greater happiness than this. I was talking to Adam just now. I said, to me, the first level paradise, which you are getting now, is, I said, between you and your wife, there is a change, a bonding, a love, a peace of mind, a sense of home between the both of you. This is the first paradise you are getting because you're changing your lives. Because you're becoming first human being. You're already getting this. The first traces, excellence and mercy, excellence and red smile, Dinu and Audrey. Audrey. All these are already beginning to happen. Your lives are already changing. Your lives are already getting better. You can already start to see the sweetness which is happening in your lives. The peace of mind, the clarity. You haven't even gone into the world and started producing results yet. Because you still haven't purified completely. The first thing is, can you already experience paradise where you are? Can you really feel at peace, connected to God, with the environment? That there is no more insecurity, there is no more doubt. Everything is clear. You understand yourself. You're no more living in a world of maybe. Faith, you understand. Now once you get this, things are going to happen. You're going to just develop and develop and develop. Okay? So if this is true, what are we on the verge of? We are on the verge of making these 10 families or 9 families enlightened or full human beings. If we can make 10 families full human beings, then it's not just one family, maybe lucky. We had 10 families from different situations, different environments, different circumstances, and we are able to do it for all 10. Means we have a science It's not that, but maybe because your family is this, we have 9, 10 families. It's a science. We've got about 19, 20 people who have the ability to develop this. It's a science which we are having, a science which can be taught to others so that others can be like this. But you cannot teach until this is in your blood. You will not teach until this is in your blood, until people can see in your family, in your relationship, in your aura, real purity, ability to win the good pleasure of God. So forget about going and winning anything in the outside world. To me, our goal is not to go and win the outside world. And God, to me, really God in His greatest of mercies is putting everything on a hold. Today, if Kunmichai asked me to go and do some project, I'm saying, no, I'm not going to do. Where are the visas? So He's giving me more time now. We've got definitely until the end of August to be here. Okay.
Next month.
Huh?
Until next month.
Until the end of next month, until this actual program finish. We're not going to start any project outside because they can't even get the visa problems off. Okay. All the Cambodians have to go and do a border run. Every 2 weeks they will do a border run. Okay. So we'll still stay here, giving them time while we use this place for free or whatever it is. And maybe when we decide, that's it. Let's move. Okay. But for now, it's a nice place to enjoy, have holiday, everything. It seems to be good. So let's keep this place until the end of next month, which is another 35, 40 days away, 35 days away. Okay. But, okay, let's forget. But are we now? Can you all, in these next 2-3 days, go through this? Because now I am going to sit down in these next few days with the exchange program. People to sit down and really test this out. Test the science of life into seeing how they respond. Helping them to create the picture and do whatever needs to be done so that they get this picture and you all do your own. And every day, those who are still here, maybe in the nights after prayers, we will sit down and share. Mornings, I will sit down with the exchange, or maybe afternoons, mornings I'll sit down with the exchange and afternoons with this group, and nighttime we can watch movies. So that everybody has got time for discussion, this not while we do this. But what is the ultimate? The ultimate here is everybody needs to get this picture.